In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum 5 class. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we discuss about subject English Unit 12. Its topic is our national animal. Dear student, first of all we discuss about learning outcomes Unit 12 Part 3. Recognize the function of WH forms used in questions. Response to and ask more WH questions. Illustrate the use of present continuous tense. Use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph. Recognize the function of different question words. Complete a simple paragraph using the given words, phrase, and sentences. Dear student, now we discuss WH questions. Read the following use of question words. Students, do you know about what is question words? The words which are used to ask question are called question words. वो अल्फाज जिनको हम कोई भी सवाल पूछने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो question words कहलाते हैं. जैसे which, where, whose, what are all question words. Read the following use of question words. What is the time by your watch? In this sentence, what is a question word? Where is the national park in Nathia Gali? Where is a question word? Who is outside? Who is a question word? Which is the most endangered animal of Pakistan? The word which is a question word. Read the following answers and write questions for each. स्टूडेंट्स अभी आपके पास आंसर्स हैं. इन आंसर्स के आपने क्वेश्चन में करने हैं. जैसे योर बुक्स आर ऑन द टेबल. इट्स क्वेश्चन इज वेयर आर योर बुक्स. दिस इज माई ट्रॉफी. द क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट इज हुज ट्रॉफी इज दिस. लियाकत अली खान वॉज द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान. The question of this answer is who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? I like cats. The question of this statement is which thing do you like? Which animal do you like? Make questions by using the question words given above in your notebook. Students, आपने question words को use करते हुए question में करने हैं. Students, study your page and make questions by using question words. Where do you live? In this sentence, where is a question word. Which fruit do you like the most? In this sentence, which is a question word. Who is your best friend? In this sentence, who is a question word. What is your religion? In this sentence, what is a question word. Dear students, now we discuss present continuous tense. A present continuous tense is used to express an ongoing action. कि वो काम जो अभी चल रहा है, जिसको हम अभी कर रहे हैं, वो भी मुकम्मल नहीं हुआ, हम उसको कर रहे हैं, वो present continuous tense है. There are 3 types of sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative. जब हम इंफॉर्मेटिव सेंटेंस में करेंगे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में, तो इसके लिए हमारे पास ये फार्मूला या ये स्ट्रक्चर है. सबसे पहले हम सब्जेक्ट राइट करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज़, आर, एम अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंटेंस हमने इसे यूज़ करना है. और इसके साथ हमारे पास फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब होगी और फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ हम ING का यूज़ करेंगे और लास्ट पे ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. नेगेटिव में करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट सब्जेक्ट and then we use helping verb is, am, are, and then we use not, and in the next we use first form of verb and add ING, and in the last we write object. Interrogative. In the interrogative sentences, first of all we write is, are, am. These are the helping verb. To make interrogative sentences, we use is, are, am on the start of the sentence. And then we use subject and first form of verb and ING and add object, and last we will use question mark. In the other hand, we write WH words जैसे which, where, when, whose, how, and then we write is, MR, and write subject and first form of verb plus ing, and use object, and last we use question mark. This is the structure to make present continuous tense in affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Read the given sentences. Notice the use of the present continuous tense. According to structure, we note this is the present continuous tense and this is the affirmative, negative, or interrogative. The first sentence, I am going to visit Naran tomorrow. This sentence is affirmative sentence. I am not going to visit Naran tomorrow. This is negative sentence. Am I going to visit Naran tomorrow? And this is interrogative sentence. Complete the following sentences by using in the correct verb forms. स्टूडेंट, हमने करेक्ट वर्ब ऑफ फॉर्म को यूज़ करते हुए इन सेंटेंसेस को कंप्लीट करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. शी इज़ डैश केक्स फॉर द गेस्ट. मेक, मेकिंग, मेकिंग. दे आर नॉट डैश देयर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. विजिटिंग, विजिटेड, विजिटिंग. Am I dash with you? Gone, going, going. Write 6 sentences using the present continuous tense in your notebook. स्टूडेंट, आपने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस के स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करते हुए 6 सेंटेंसेस में करने हैं. स्टूडेंट, स्टडी योर पेज एंड राइट 6 sentences by using present continuous tense. She is calling her friend. You are plucking the flowers. These are the affirmative sentences. He is not watching the film. They are not playing with ball. These are negative sentences. Am I going to market? Are we standing on the road? These are interrogative sentences. Student, now we discuss punctuation. Punctuation are included different marks. For example, full stop, capitalization, question mark, commas, inverted commas. Use these punctuation. Rewrite this paragraph. Rewrite the given paragraph in your notebook. Use correct punctuations. Yesterday, Ali and Sana watched a documentary about the national animal of Pakistan. This is the sentence, and the sentence is complete there. We add full stop at the end of the sentence, and we write the first letter is capital of any sentence. Yes, yesterday the first letter is capital. Ali and Sana. Ali and Sana are proper noun, and we write the first letter of these are capital, and Pakistan is also a proper noun, so we write capital P. We start the next sentence with capital letter, so the T is capital. They enjoyed this documentary, and this sentence are completed there, so we use full stop. They asked their mother to tell them more about the national animal of Pakistan. The next sentences start from they, so we write capital T, and in this sentence the word Pakistan is a proper noun, so we write capital P. स्टूडेंट, इसी तरह आपने बाकी सेंटेंसेस को रीड करते हुए करेक्ट पंक्चुएशन का यूज़ करना है. द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज एक्ट डी, राइटिंग. Learning to write. Write a paragraph on the national bird of Pakistan in your notebook, keeping the following questions in mind. Student, इन questions को follow करते हुए हमने एक paragraph write करना है जिसका topic है national bird of Pakistan. Their questions is, what is the most prominent feature of the national bird of Pakistan? In which area is the national bird of Pakistan found? List some reasons why it is endangered. स्टूडेंट इन क्वेश्चंस को फॉलो करते हुए हम एक पैराग्राफ राइट करेंगे जिसका टॉपिक है नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ पाकिस्तान। स्टूडेंट्स रेडी योर पेज एंड राइट पैराग्राफ नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ पाकिस्तान। द नेशनल बर्ड ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज चकोर। It is 34 to 38 centimeter round shape long bird. It has light brown back and grey breast and buff belly. It is found in the internal Himalayas ranges and western Himalayas and plains, Balochistan and dry hillsides of Punjab and Sindh. It mostly feeds on leaves, insects and seeds. Unfortunately, it is endangered species. Overhunting, loss of habitat, and pesticides have played major role in the decrease in population of these birds. Students, we write this paragraph. Follow the questions. Dear student, the discussion of Unit 12 Part 3 completed. And this is your home task, creative writing. Write a paragraph on endangered animals in your notebook and write a few steps you can take to save them from being extinct. स्टूडेंट आपने एक पैराग्राफ राइट करना है जिसका टॉपिक है इंडेंजर्ड एनिमल, और इसमें आपने लिखना है कि अगर कोई भी इंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स हैं तो इनको हम कैसे महफूज कर सकते हैं। हमने कुछ स्टेप्स भी राइट करने हैं। Dear student, after completing this unit, I hope you will be able to pronounce the weak form of will and shall not, demonstrate conventions and dynamic of oral interaction, demonstrate the use of joining words, recognize the function of WH forms used in questions, response to and ask more WH questions, illustrate the use of present continuous tense, use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph, recognize the function of different question words, complete a simple paragraph using the given words, phrases and sentences. Dear student, read the whole lesson and do the written practice of dictation words. Learn the all activities and do the written practice of important activities. Take care and Allah Hafiz.